Sri Sri Radha Madhava Mandir. We would like to thank the ISKCON TV Dhaka for inviting us to be part of the celebration in commemoration of His Holiness Bhakti Charu Swami's first disappearance year anniversary, which is coming up, and is coincidentally also it is Sanatan Goswami's disappearance day, Vyasa Purnima, Guru Purnima, and it's befitting for His Holiness Bhakti Charu Swami also to depart on that day. One of the great acharyas of ISKCON whom we still miss to this very day. We'd like to thank you all. Hare Krishna.
Maharaj, thank you so much for offering such kind of most wonderful and acoustic mode of kirtan. And we saw that all the youths they are dancing in acoustic mode, and you are singing so nicely. Maharaj, we are offering our sincere gratitude and endless thanks for such kind of auspicious gift. Maharaj, in this section, our preaching coordinator of whole Bangladesh, His Grace Jagadguru Prabhu, who is just waiting to offer you the garland. In the initial period, there is some technical error. That's why we have not offered.
We'll accept
the
all
garland
those
to you.
garlands for everybody here. Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Hare
Dhanyavad.
Krishna, Maharaj. Please
Hare
accept
Krishna.
our humble offering.
His Holiness Bhakti Charu Swami ke Jai, Srila Prabhupada ke Jai, ISKCON Bhakta Vrinda ke Jai, Nitai Gaur Sitanath Premanande, Gauranga, Joy Nitai. Dhanyavad. Hare Krishna.
महाराज की
जय
जय श्री प्रभुपाद की जय जगद्गुरु
Balabhadra Prabhu.
धन्यवाद
My obeisances, all glories.
আরো একটা মালা আছে প্রভুকে দেওয়া যায়।
Hare Krishna.
Please come to Atlanta.
Hare Krishna. Balabhadra Bhattacharya Prabhu ki jai. Balabhadra Bhattacharya Prabhu, we are very happy by getting you in this Zoom session. And in this section, our preaching coordinator of whole Bangladesh, His Grace Jagadguru Prabhu, will offer you a garland to receive